While the average American earns $58,000 a year, I make twice as that per month. And people with zero technical knowledge are making $500 per hour by leveraging AI skills anyone can learn. And most people, they're chasing small raises when an entirely new economy is exploding with the right opportunities. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Monteiro, and I've helped scale multiple 7- and 8-figure businesses. And now we scale a direct-to-consumer fitness brand from 0 to 150 million in just 36 months using systems and AI automation exclusively for sales and marketing. After washing cars for a living, I built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio by age 27. So the data is clear, guys. AI job postings have surged to 16,000 monthly, with automated systems expected to create 78 million jobs by 2030. The real opportunity isn't getting hired for these jobs though, it's becoming someone who uses these tools to generate massive value independently. Now there's two deadly approaches to AI that will leave you broke and irrelevant. The first deadly approach is ignoring AI, pretending it won't affect your industry just like taxi drivers did with Uber. And the second deadly approach is trying to compete directly with AI, attempting to become a machine learning engineer. This is like challenging a Ferrari to race on foot. The highest earners won't be those who can code AI. They'll be those who know how to orchestrate to solve real business problems. According to research, 97% of Fortune 500 companies are implementing AI, but 76% struggle to find people who can effectively deploy the systems. The AI Income Accelerator Framework is what I've developed that structures 9 high-income skills into 3 progressive tiers. Tier 1 is foundational skills, which you can learn from $50 to $200 an hour. Skills anyone can learn in 1 to 4 weeks. I've developed a framework that structures 9 high-income skills into 3 progressive tiers. Those skills anyone can learn in 1 to 4 weeks. The skill number 1 is prompt engineering, which you can learn $50 to $100 an hour. And if you master this 4-part prompt structure, you will definitely set yourself up for success. Whenever you're prompted, you need to define the role, you need to provide the context, and you need to make precise requests specifying the format. That way, you can make sure that the type of outcome that you're generating from the AI, very useful. And if you're building with AI agents, you definitely want to specify also which tools the AI has to ensure you can use appropriately. Second is AI-assisted software development. You can use a 3-step process to make sure that you start doing this right away, and you can earn up to $100 to $200 an hour. So you can create an AI-driven learning path and find a specific problem worth solving, build a solution with AI-assisted tools. The way that you're gonna find a problem worth solving is by using NAM to scrape Reddit, Google posts, Facebook posts, X posts, pretty much everything on the web to identify which problems people are having on a specific niche that probably hasn't been fully explored by AI. Because everybody's focusing on the fancy stuff, but there are a lot of niches like blue-collar services like plumbing, carpenters, and stuff like that. You can reach out to them in your area and definitely help them implement AI. The other position is AI design. You can focus on 3 key aspects, which is generative photo creation, AI-enhanced photo editing, or AI-powered web design. And no, you're not gonna make $100 to $200 with one person, but with the ability to leverage AI, you can deliver to 100 to 200 to 300 people. So this $100 to $200 is going to be through leverage and scalability. It's not going to be by providing the service directly just to one person. Tier 2 is the acceleration skills, which you can earn $200 to $400 an hour. These take about 1 to 3 months to master, but it's definitely worth it. One is AI video editing. You can master 3 approaches. Either you can do intelligent clipping for hundreds of people, generative video creation, or AI-powered B-roll search. And the other one is AI writing. You can focus on 3 applications: extraction of insights, ideation of concepts, and creation and refinement while maintaining the voice. This is very useful if you want to create AI agents that repurpose content in mass scale. And this is actually some of the things that we've done with one of our clients, where he was producing a lot of YouTube videos that were long form, and we've automatically created a distribution process that whenever a video is posted, it creates X posts, LinkedIn posts, emails, and also the clips that can distribute to YouTube Shorts, different channels, so on and so forth. The other one is AI content marketing. So you can build complete content engines with clear outcome definitions, repeatable creation workflows, and cross-platform repurposing. The tier 3 is the transformation skills. You can earn really like up to $500 an hour. The highest value skills taking, about 3 to 6 months to really develop is no-code AI automation, and you can follow these 3 critical steps to start doing that. Workflow mapping. You can focus on these 3 critical steps to start getting your hands in no-code AI automation. Number 1, it's just understanding the workflow workflow mapping process from beginning to end on how do you acquire the customer up to when you deliver and how you deliver. And what I mean by that is essentially anything that has to do with money or helping them get a higher ROI has less sensitivity to price. And you can use AI Copilot development to start building a little app, an MVP, and test it out. The other skill is AI data analysis, which you can focus on 3 key applications: data cleanup and preparation, data enrichment, and insights extraction. Those are skills that we value in our business and we pay people very well for it. So the other one is no-code AI agent development. And the 3-step process is you have to understand what's the role of the AI, what is the model development, and deployment with feedback loops, so you can understand what type of content is being generated and also how good the content looks like. So how do you implement these skills? First, start with a skill assessment. Align AI skills with your existing strengths. You don't need to start from scratch. So you can do a rapid skill acquisition method, which is creating a 30-day learning path using AI to teach you AI. I know it sounds crazy, but you can use AI as your personal coach and develop a 90-day, 30-day plan to really focus on the things that matter most for you to achieve the tier 3 of income with AI. And then you can start doing a portfolio development. You can build 3 to 5 exceptional case studies with measurable results. Even if you don't have case studies, you can just build the models and do outreach to people. And the other one is client acquisition. You can start with your network and offer free optimizations to prove your value. And then you work by systematically scaling. You can create documentation, templates, and measurement systems for consistent delivery. We're experiencing the biggest wealth creation opportunity since the internet. Those who position themselves as AI orchestrators now will be the highest paid specialists for the next decade. And I came from Brazil to the US with nothing. I watched courses before discovering the power of systems, and I've been using AI automation tools for about 8 years now. The AI revolution is the kind of opportunity that can pull yourself out of poverty and help you generate generational wealth for your family. So make sure that you understand how to properly leverage it. And I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram and I'll see if I can help you.